Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a news item from Microsoft, but also for the gamers out there. I have Xbox Game Pass on my PC, and of course, Microsoft, in a big surprise announcement today, has officially said that there would be a Retro Classics Activision games and tons of games from the past are in here, and it's super cool. So this was announced as a surprise. Nobody was planning or was thinking this would happen, and it is definitely pretty amazing to have these games for the PC. More games are going to be added over time. I've played a few games of my young days as a teenager on the Commodore. I would play them. So this is cool. So I played H.E.R.O, Pitfall 2. It's really nice and kind of cool to see that these retro games are now part of the Xbox Game Pass. So if you have Xbox Game Pass, these are available on every device. So if it's on an Xbox or rather on a PC, you have access to this with your Game Pass. Really cool. I'm very happy, and this is a surprise announcement. Nobody was expecting this type of announcement out of Microsoft today, and this is pretty cool. It's more than, like you see here, 61 games of Activision games to play with on the Retro Classics, and apparently more to come. So this is going to be really fun if you are a gamer and have the Xbox Game Pass. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.